Let's make a chicken BLT. The sun is setting here in Sedona. It is perfect outside. Let's call this the Sedona Sunset Chicken BLT. I've never made a chicken BLT on the Blackstone, so don't judge me too hard. Here we go. That's just a simple boneless, skinless chicken thigh. Let's add 2 strips of bacon. There is no faster way to make bacon than on a Blackstone. This thing makes bacon and it's just so fast. It's just amazing how fast it is. To make bacon at home takes me forever. On the frying pan, etc. Man, this is just like, it's only been like a minute and a half for these 2 strips right here. And I like my bacon thick cut and well crispy, very crispy. And that's what we got here. And crispify this. You know, gotta watch it, don't want it to burn. These guys are done. Chicken still has about 4 minutes. Guy's done. Time to assemble. Let's put this thing together, shall we? Some good mayonnaise. If you guys haven't tried it, sunflower seed, sunflower oil. Little mustard. Let's go with the pico now. I'm on a pico kick lately. I guess it's just because it's easy. You know, tomatoes, I make my own all the time, but when it's available and it looks fresh at the store, why not? Little lettuce, just shredded lettuce, no big deal. Let's get this avocado going here. Oh yeah, nice and crispy. It's alright if some falls on the sides. It's great to eat later on. The whole breast isn't going to get on here. So make a little salad after you're done with the sandwich. It's great. Little more mayo. And you are done. Chicken BLT. Sedona Sunset. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Wow. My goodness. So then you just take the leftovers here. And just add it to whatever's left over at the end and eat it like a salad. Man, that is a really good sandwich. Let me show you my view. Sun is just about to go over that mountain right there. It's about 77, 75 degrees, no wind, no humidity, no clouds.